Oh, sorry. All right, guys. Hello there. Hello. I will be writing a new story today. When I'm at work, I work on multiple stories, and this one is kind of just the newest story I'm working on, and that I don't know. I feel like I want to try it out, and it's gonna be the second person point of view. So we will see how that goes. Let me know what you did. Action Writer said I went downtown drinking, then hung out with some family to watch fireworks. Also, I was similar. I just hung out with my family. My stepmom does some political stuff, so I hung out with her and my dad and my brother, his girl, and my bestie. And we drank, ate, laughed, and then watched fireworks. So I'm gonna see if I can get this up and going. Let's see. This one here, and I put on Windows Capture. There it is. Yeah, so I haven't even started it here. Um, so yeah, we'll see. It's this one's going to be I guess you could say supernatural thriller mystery. It's more of this the person, and so it's going to be saying you, right? So it says you've done this before. So when the person's reading this story, they're going to be reading it as if it's them, like, hey, you did this, you did that, so on and so forth. So when you're reading it, when I go down to like the person's partner and who they're with and stuff like that, it's for your mind, the reader's mind, to plug in this information. Ah, I got El Ruby Tubi left in Luby right on my cutie. Hung out with my brew and got fooked up and ate. Dang, that's what's up. I hung out with my brew also and got fooked oop and ate. What we eat? A fucking long wiener in our mouth. Um, so yeah, so that is how you read a second story point of view. It is going to be in you. It'll be saying, and after it keeps saying you plug in your information. So let's say I'm reading it for myself, and I'm like, oh, you've done this before. The pitch black sky has a full moon within. The stars light up the barren streets. You're nearly down at a puddle of water and blood. And then I describe more. Then it goes in here. It reminds you of that day you came home and walked in and only saw these yellow and red eyes staring back at you while it was eating what's left of the love of your life. So in your head, you're like the love of my life. So then your mind will correlate with somebody you like, somebody you love, somebody you're married to, boyfriend, girlfriend, etc. And you plug in this information instead. So then it kind of makes it a little bit more personal. And I've kind of been trying to write more on that aspect. If you go to my Etsy or Fiverr, I do write eroticas, and in these